Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining. Today, I will be presenting the key findings from our data analytics task. This session will cover the objectives, methodology, insights, and recommendations based on our analysis. Today's agenda will be as follows. Overview of the project and business problem. Specific problem tackled by the data analytics team. Introduction of the team members. Explanation of the process followed. Presentation of results through insights and visualizations. Summary and Q&A. Before we begin, let's review the second initial cleaning phase of the task. Basic cleaning remove. Blank rows, rename the column, joining table, top 5 category. Accenture collaborated with Social Buzz on a 3-month pilot project aimed at addressing key business challenges. The primary objectives of this initiative were to audit and enhance Social Buzz's big data practices, provide strategic guidance for a successful IPO, and conduct an in-depth data analysis to identify insights into the top 5 most popular content categories on the platform. Focusing on the last point that I mentioned there, this is what the data analytics team has been specifically focused on. Social Buzz generates over 100,000 posts per day, leading to 36,500,000 pieces of content annually, creating challenges in effectively utilizing the vast amount of data. The goal is to identify the top 5 most popular content categories to better understand audience engagement. To achieve this, the data needs to be cleaned by removing missing values, adjusting data types, and eliminating irrelevant columns before analysis. Data Analytics Team, Marcus Rompton, Senior Principal, Guiding Technical Quality. John Rompton, Team Lead, focusing on data engineering. Henry Smith, Data Analyst, responsible for insights and business decisions. Approach, data understanding, studying the data model and business domain. Data cleaning, preparing data sets for analysis. Data modeling, structuring data to answer key business questions. Data analysis, extracting insights and creating visualizations. Business recommendations, providing strategic insights. Before we begin, let's review the third final analytics phase of the task. Month-wise, post top categories. Post content sentiment, most popular reaction type. From your data, we found that you had a total of 16 unique categories of posts across your sample dataset. This includes things such as food, science, and animals. As well as this, there were 1,897 reactions from just the animal category alone. People obviously really like animals. And also the most common month for users to post within was May. This aligns with seasonal trends of social media users that feel the need to reconnect with people after calendar events such as April Fool. But now, onto the main question, which is, what were the top 5 most popular categories of posts? From our analysis, you can see that the top 5 most popular categories of posts were animals, science, healthy eating, technology, and food in descending order. Animals had an aggregate popularity score of around 74,965. It is very interesting to see both food and healthy eating within the top 5. It really shows that food is a highly engaging content category. Finally, it's also interesting to see science and technology too. This may suggest that people enjoy consuming factual content and snippets of content that they can learn something from. Our analysis shows the top 5 reaction types by popularity. Heart ranked highest, 1,622, followed by scared, 1,572, and peaking, 1,559, indicating engagement with emotional or suspenseful content. Hate, 1,552, and interested, 1,549. Highlight polarizing and thought-provoking content trends, guiding strategic content decisions. Our analysis of content types reveals that photos had the highest engagement with 6,589 posts, followed by videos, 6,245, GIFs, 6,079, and audio, 5,660. In terms of sentiment, photos also received the most positive reactions, 3,700, while videos, 3,510, GIFs, 3,381, and audio, 3,216, followed closely. However, negative sentiment was consistent across formats, with photos, 2,057, videos, 1,943, GIFs, 1,924, and audio, 1,771. These insights highlight that visual content drives engagement, but sentiment distribution remains similar across formats. So to summarize, we tackled this task and found the top 5 most popular categories as asked, but we also went one step further. We found that animals and science are the 2 most popular categories, suggesting that users like real life and factual content. We also found that food was a common theme amongst popular content, and the most popular food category was healthy eating. This could be a signal to show the types of people that are using your platform, and you could use this insight to boost engagement even further. For example, you could run a campaign with content focused on this category or work with healthy eating brands to promote content. As much as this analysis was insightful, we are ready to take it to the next stage, and we have the expertise within Accenture to help you realize these kinds of insights in production across your organization and in real time. We would love to help you with this. Thank you very much for listening. Please feel free to ask any questions that you may have